Sodick.
Hi, I'm Emily.
I'm Belinda.
Welcome to Sodick Singapore showroom. We are here to introduce Sodick's latest linear motor-driven die-sinking electric discharge machine, the AL series.
Equipped with the latest discharge control, circuit, and machining condition advisor, utilizing AI technology. Our machining speed from roughing, semi-finishing, and finishing has increased to 20%.
Yes, there is no doubt that the AL series is a productive model.
It is also well received in the mold and parts processing for smartphones, tablet terminals, precision automobile parts, and more. We have a lineup of two models, AL40G and AL60G. Emily, please tell us more about the special features.
Sure. First, I would like to tell you about our in-house linear motor mounted on all XYZ axes. There are many features this linear motor could offer, but the utmost ability is to perform high-speed operation along with sharp precision and accuracy.
What is the difference between ball screw and linear motor drive?
The conventional ball screw drive is no match to our linear motor, as it would often cause conversion error due to backlash. Additionally, we adopted Heidenhain's linear scale as a position detection method. It is a fully closed-loop system that can achieve reproducibility and maintain high accuracy during operation.
We also developed NC and discharge power supply equipment in-house. In the AL series, we have a newly developed SP power supply, along with the discharge stabilization system called Arcless 4 that stabilizes the processing and prevents arc discharge.
What does that mean?
That means you can process with graphite electrode without any worries. We also provide the LM Pro AI advisor to achieve the optimal processing condition.
We visualize manufacturing in the future to be in the era of Industry 4.0, where cutting-edge technologies will evolve to IoT, AI, and 5G. Our AL series utilizes a standard function that can centrally manage the operating status.
In this case, it can improve the machine operation rate, reduce processing defect rate, and improve traceability. We assure you a 10 years guarantee that our machine will maintain high precision machining and pitch over a long time.
Feel free to contact us for more inquiries.
Thank you for your time.
We look forward to hear from you. Goodbye!
Sodick.